Hello, my name is Rachel and today I'm going to show you how to fill out the course approval form. It is important that you fill out the course approval form by the deadline so that your advisor can make sure that you are in the right courses. This video tutorial is for students who have been admitted into the Social Development Studies program. It is important to note that this upcoming fall term will be completely remote, therefore all classes will be held online. To sign into the course approval form, you will need to use your WhatIM user ID and password. Once you have signed in, your name, email, and program will appear. If any of this information is incorrect, hit the Contact Us link at the bottom to let us know. After you click Next, you will see for the fall term a list of courses that are required for your program. Keep in mind you cannot drop these courses. They are required. All arts students have to complete 2 faculty level courses in their first year, Arts 130 and Arts 140, one in the fall term and one in the winter term. These courses are popularly called Arts First courses. For now, you don't need to add Arts First courses. Your advisor will provide further details on how to enroll in these courses in July. This means you only have to choose one elective for your fall term, and it can be any course of interest. First, you will select the subject of interest and then choose the course number. A description of that course will come up and you can confirm if it is something of interest to you. For example, I will choose History 105. You can see that the course description pops up when you make a choice. Note, if you are looking to take a reduced course load this upcoming fall term, simply leave those extra courses blank and leave a note at the end of the form explaining that you would like to connect with your advisor about your options for taking a reduced course load. When you click Next, a summary of your choices for the fall term will appear. If any of this information is incorrect or you want to make a change, go back and fill out the form again. If you have any additional questions that you'd like to ask your advisor, there is an option to include that in the question box on the form. There is also an opportunity to let us know anything you think is important prior to you starting your studies at the University of Waterloo. This is where you will also explain that you want to connect with an advisor regarding taking a reduced course load if this is your plan for the upcoming fall term. When you click on Submit, it will bring up another summary of the courses you have chosen. That form will be submitted to your academic advisor to be approved. Any changes that need to be made will be emailed back to you from your advisor. We will do our best to enroll you in all of your fall courses for your first year. Remember, in the winter term, you will take required courses and electives which you will select later. Filling out the course approval form by the deadline will allow us to help you get into those courses. If you don't complete the form by the deadline, it is possible that you won't get into courses that you want in your first year. Completing this form will also allow you to start connecting with your advisor. We are always here to help with your academic needs.